Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 8th of January, 2018.
Hi, everybody. Go Dogs!
Alrighty, it's National Championship night. That's it, football or college football national championship. We're excited. We've got, I guess, what, about a half hour before kickoff? So we're going to try to knock the video out real quick, and get in the shower, getting our jammies, and be ready to watch the big show. Looking forward to the Georgia-Bama game here. So we're all decked out in Georgia and ready to go. Alrighty, so let's do this. Let's kick everything off. And let's start like we always do by talking about who was here this weekend. Well, Jay showed up on Saturday and was a huge help. And we'll talk more about that when we get into what we did this week. But it was a huge help. Thank you very much, Jay. Look forward to maybe you stopping by this weekend and giving me a hand again. Of course, Daniel, Kimmy, and the Butterbean was here, and they spent yesterday with us watching the wild card game. Some really good football played yesterday. I think some pretty good games.
There were good games yesterday.
I enjoyed it. It was really kind of a busy nail-biting weekend. So we had a good time. Alrighty, so let's kind of move on with the show here a little bit. Let's talk about what we did this last week. Oh boy, that cocoa's good. I'm gonna have me another hit of that. That's pretty good. There's some good cocoa, and I got me a new what do you call it?
Keurig.
Keurig this week. Kimmy and Daniel brought me over their Keurig that they had, so using it made me a big old cup of cocoa. So thank you guys, I appreciate that. Alrighty, so let's talk about what we did. We released part 2 of Cutting Tommy's Logs. Now that took forever to get that video out. I tried to do it as one long video. And I'd get down to the end and I'd get something crazy happen and I'd get corrupted files. So I said, okay, the heck with it. After what, 3 or 4 attempts and about 8 to 10 hours.
Every time you put music?
Yeah, I gave up to it and I said, the heck with it. I didn't even get to put music in it. I just couldn't get the video done. So I broke it up into 2 parts. And the first part I wanted to go ahead and get out, so I didn't put any music to it. And I said, I'll just put music in the second part. And that proved to be a problem too. That took several nights. How many nights did I work on that?
I don't know, but it was too many.
Yeah, it was tough because the way YouTube works with its music videos, which you have, or music in its videos, is you put the music in the track where you want it, and it covers this much of the video, and the video is this long. So I put this in, then I'd have to save that video, and it would be a copy of the video. Then you'd have to pull up the video, the copy of the video up, put the next track of music in there, then it would be a copy of the video. And I did that, I think, what did I have, like six
I don't know. There was a
ton. So it was a huge undertaking. Got it figured out. It'll be faster next time if I do any more videos like that. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. So we released that. We picked up the rest of the pine logs, finally, from Lisa and Stanley. I know they have to be excited. Those are out of their yard. We picked up those monster logs. Daniel, you know what I'm talking about. Them huge big old logs. We got those picked up, and that's what Jay come up and helped me do. And again, thank you so much, Jay. It was kind of a tough job, but not as hard as I thought it was going to be. If the trailer's sitting this way, we didn't drag the log up that way. We had the log sit like that. We backed the trailer up to it and wrapped the winch cord around it. And we actually got the log just kind of to roll over and roll up onto the trailer sideways. And then when we got half the log up there, we just spun it around and pulled it straight. Went pretty good. It was actually a pretty easy save on there, so it worked well. That was Saturday in the morning, and then Saturday afternoon we went over and seen our good buddy Vin over in Applin. Now, if you remember, Vin gave us some poplar logs and some other logs, some elm and quite a few logs. I think this is my 3rd trip over there.
He's got all kinds of stuff.
I was fixing to say mahogany again.
Yeah.
We picked up a black walnut from him that really looks nice. We picked up, oh gosh, I don't know, a couple other things. Sweet gums that we use to make some rails and stuff, some rails to put on ramps for holding logs up off the ground. But had a good time talking with him and his wife, as we always do. It was cold, and about dark time we decided it was time to head out. And I want to thank Ben, our good buddy Ben, for helping us out. And I've got maybe 6 or 7 more loads of logs to come out of there. Alrighty. Sawed several logs. How many logs did I cut up this last week?
I don't know. It was a bunch because I came out there and helped you with some, and that was about all I could do.
Yeah, it was a bunch.
They were huge.
A bunch of logs, moved a bunch of boards, got them stacked. We finally, light went off in our head and said, while you're cutting the boards, take the scrap and cut your stickers out of that, and don't know why it took us 2 years for that to come out, but it sure did. So now we got plenty of stickers as we cut using the same wood that we're cutting. I don't see a staining problem on any of the boards that I've checked so far.
And you think about how much we had burnt. It could have been stickers instead of us looking around trying to burn that.
When the idea hit me, I was like, wait a minute, I don't have to find stickers. I got stickers. We're throwing them in the burn pile. So I took and we cleaned them up a little bit and cut them, and that worked great. So we got a lot of logs cut. We buried the old burn pit hole between the sawmill and the mom cave. It pretty much had lived its life, done everything it was supposed to do. It's been there a little over 2 years. So Jay and I on Saturday put the tractor to work, and Jay kind of got out there with the shovel, a rake, and a hoe, and kind of helped me, and we got that covered up. But I like it a lot better, don't you?
It does.
Now you around the mill. It's just
even for the lawnmower, I can drive around now without doing this.
Yeah, it's much better. It looks cleaner, it looks neater, but more importantly, I can get around the mill and get to doing what I need to be doing out there, which is cutting logs and not burning. We're going to move that situation out. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in a second. All right, let's get more of this good hot cocoa. Mom, you should have got you some cocoa.
Ah, sugar.
Projects completed this week. Zero nada. Same as the last couple of weeks, but that was our plan. We're right on glide scope, I think, with our plan on that. We're going to start getting back to projects either this weekend or next weekend.
Probably this weekend, because it's 3 days.
Yeah, and we just picked up another project made out of cardboard. We'll have to show you that one. It's going to be an interesting build. I think it's for a birthday party.
It's for a birthday party for a 3-year-old.
Birthday party for a 3-year-old. Y'all wrap your mind around that and just think of SpongeBob, okay? So that's the hint on that. But we're looking forward to doing that. That's going to be a cute thing. We're going to have it out by the
20th of February.
20th of February. So,
which is Michael's birthday.
Hey, that's right. That's right. All righty.
See, I remember your birthday, son.
I just remember you, son. All right, shows and markets. No changes on that front. Still looking for sure that we're going to be in Atlanta at the Market 400 in March. Other than that, I don't have any firm commitments. You don't have any firm commitments. We've looked at a few things. Just no firm commitments right now. Again, if y'all have anything that are close to you, let us know, and we may kind of go do those. But try to get it in as soon as you can to us if you know of anything. But right now, no plans other than Market 400. I'm excited. I'm pumped. I'm ready to start building some tables. I'm going to start using a new finishing process that I watched John Peters, Art and Home do. I think I want to give it a shot, and we'll bring you along the first time we do that. That'll be interesting on that. So y'all watch for that.
I did, however, get an email from Delmar already for 2018.
Oh, really? So they want us back. Yeah,
they want us back.
I knew they were pleased with us.
Yes, they want us back.
All right, so let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. Now, it's going to be busy here about the next 2 months here. January, February ought to be pretty busy months for us. We're going to saw some more logs. It's not that we got any shortage of them. I think I got, what, 15? About 10 or 15? No, I got more than that. I got probably 16 logs this weekend. The 6 pine logs from our buddy Lisa and Stanley, and the rest from our buddy Vin. So I got a ton of logs that are new to the property that's got to be cut, and then a bunch of the old ones that we're working on. We're getting those knocked out. Really starting to look good. Opening some room. I'm liking the way it's looking.
It's starting to look a whole lot better.
I got to build some horse jumps for Reebok's friend up in North Carolina. Now, Reebok, I need to know how many to build, and do you want me to build them the same style of yours that are sitting down here in your horse trailer? Please let me know. Either text me, let me know down below how many horse jumps you want. Not sets, just how many, and then I'll divide that by 2 and come up with the number of sets. Also, I need to know, do you need us to do the little cutout in the area where the bar sets, or do you want those flat? And we'll talk more about that. So just let me know what you want, how many you need, and we'll get started on that. We need to get started on those probably this week. I'm thinking about doing a video for your friends so she can see how easy these are to make, and maybe just kind of let you kind of reminisce about the days that me, Michael, Jay, and Daniel are all here in the shop building your horse jumps. Because if you remember, I think that was an assembly line process. That's probably one of the first big things me and the boys did all together.
No, I wasn't in that one.
Yeah, she's still got those things, and that's got to be, what, 12, 15, 16
I don't know.
Years old? I don't know.
They're still working
for a while. We need to start making crates for the flitches to be cut up to firewood size. Michael J., you know what I'm talking about. Daniel, I think you've seen it. I make these crates now, or I'm going to start making these crates. I've made one. I think it's about, it fits on the back of my tractor. It's about 3.5 feet by 3.5 feet by about 2.5 feet tall. We take the flitches, as we pull them off, we cut the boards and cut the logs. We cut them up in firewood size. It just makes it easier to handle, easy to burn, and they dry a lot faster. So I'm going to work on that. So we'll have that done. That's going to be done. We're going to start on the trailer shelves. Mama and I need to get in, clean out the front of that trailer here probably in the next week or two, I think. And we're going to start laying out the shelves on that. We're going to have to mail off another 6 blades. That's right, we've been through a bunch of blades here. So Mom's going to have to mail off another 6 blades to go back to Wood-Mizer to be sharpened for me, because we're going through blades right and left now. Actually, I'm up on my 7th blade now, so we do need to get those set off. We're going to start probably the 20th of January this year. Every 2 weeks, go into our good buddy Vin and see if we can't get our logs taken out from over there. And then we're going to, let's see, maybe start making a video every 2 weeks, a build video. Let us know what you think about that in the comments below. But I'm excited about maybe getting out some build videos. Just so it kind of feels like y'all are maybe in the shop a little bit more, instead of us just telling you about what we're doing. Let y'all kind of see. So y'all let me know what you think about us maybe putting out a build video every 2 weeks. Alrighty. And some good hot chocolate. Thank you, Kimmy and Daniel. Well, I think that's about it for this evening. I can't think of anything else. It's just time to get ready, take a shower, get on our jammers, and get ready for the game.
We don't want to miss kickoff.
That's it. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Go Dogs.
Go Dogs!
Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 8th of January, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Go Dogs! All right, that sounded horrible. Let's try that again. Go!
Oh, crap.